Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be sharing the journey of Miss Aditi Yadav, who has been placed as an associate data scientist at Pristine Retail Solutions Private Limited. Aditi has completed her MTech in Technology and Development in the Center for Technology Alternative for Rural Areas, more popularly known as Sitara from IIT Bombay. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Sudhakar, for having me.
Yeah, Aditi. So Aditi, we can begin with a brief information about the company कि ये company के बारे में तुम थोड़ा बताने का मतलब बताओ और जो the profile which you have been offered actually.
So, Pristine is a product-based company with its product named as Presto, which assists the retail and customer-based companies to analyze and improve their consumer-faced challenges to the help of artificial intelligence. So, the role in which I am in Pristine is associate data scientist, and basically I am in the forecasting domain of the company.
Okay, and you have joined which location?
So my joining location is Mumbai, but as of now it's work from home.
Yes. I think ये सबके साथ अभी यही हो रहा है, सब लोग घर से ही काम कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Yes, I think मुंबई होगा तो काफी अच्छा है, कैंपस के पास भी रहोगे.
हाँ बिल्कुल. But I am hoping कि मुझे गुड़गांव मिल जाए because वो मेरे घर से पास है.
क्या बात है, सही है. तो दोनों केस में you have.
हाँ, I have a benefit.
Yes, exactly. Yes, Aditi. So हम तुम्हारे प्लेसमेंट जर्नी के बारे में सारी चीजें we would like to know in detail, but before that हम कुछ चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं, जैसे कि सितारा के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. अब तक मुझे सितारा के लोगों से बात करने का मौका नहीं मिला था. If you could tell us a bit about कि सितारा और टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डेवलपमेंट, मैं इन दोनों नाम को सुनता रहता हूँ बार बार, तो इन दोनों नाम का क्या कोरिलेशन है, और थोड़ा अगर अपने बैच के बारे में बताओ कि लाइक फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इट स्टूडेंट, वो कहाँ मतलब क्या एवेन्यू एक्सप्लोर करते हैं वो.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, see, technology and development is a department in this center. Sitara is a center, and technology and development is a department.
Okay.
So this we can take the name either of Sitara or technology and development. It's the same thing. So T&D is basically a transdisciplinary department. Transdisciplinary का मतलब we use the knowledge from different departments to implement it in areas where required. For instance, in our department, we use it to find solutions for the rural areas. So, coming to the second part of your question, that is the future prospects. I would say that in our department, students get selected in two things. One is the TA category, the other one is TAP category. So, TAP category is TA in project. So, the students who are selected in TAP category, they get a fellowship in giant ministries like Ministry of Rural Development or UNICEF. So they work there at a stipend of around 58 to 60,000 for a duration of around 1 or 2 years. That depends on the project. So after that, they come to the institute and take placements from the institute. That is, they take a deferral. So after 1 or 2 years, they come here and take the placement. And rest of the students are placed like students of all the other departments.
Okay, cool. So I think सितारा में there is no RA students, सिर्फ TA students ही होते हैं.
No, there are RA students, but there's only one RA student in our batch.
Okay, अच्छा, मतलब जो रेशो है वो TA का ज्यादा है, RA का कम है.
Yes.
Okay. तो आई थिंक डेफरल वगैरह की बात जो तुमने बताई, आई थिंक पीपल कैन ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोर द प्लेसमेंट्स एंड वेबसाइट, वहां पे आई थिंक डेफरल वगैरह के बारे में भी लिखा गया है इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, ठीक है. तो TAP वगैरह में सो एडमिशन के टाइम पे चूज करने की फैसिलिटी मिलती है कि लाइक वेदर यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ TA और अ TAP, हाउ डज इट हैपन?
We get a form in which we have to fill that either what you want in your priority list, whether TA or TAP. So that's how it goes.
And I think सितारा admit students from all the disciplines, like मतलब सबके students यहाँ पे आते हैं.
Even from architecture, even from the policy background, people are there.
Okay. So they are basically open to all.
Yes, open to all.
Yes, great. Yes, so I think this will give some insight, और of course सब लोगों को पता है इसके बारे में, but just for the sake of information हमने ये discuss भी कर लिया. So now we can talk a bit about profile. तुम्हारे profile के हम बारे में बात करते हैं. Like while going through your resume, आपने बहुत सारे projects machine learning वगैरह के fields में किए हैं. So do you believe that your MTP or your course projects help you in your placements? ऐसा कुछ?
Okay, so see, I was in the placement team in 2019. So from there, I knew how to build my resume so that to get selected in a certain domain. So it was all planned to do projects of certain kind and projects of certain topics so that I get selected in a data science domain. So for instance, I did a project in forecasting, and currently I am working in the forecasting domain. So it heavily helped me in the interview. I had the answers that they were searching for, the questions they asked in the technical interview. So yes, of course, my course projects helped me. Yeah.
Okay, and what about MTP? Like,
so my MTP was on COVID. So basically, it used to help me in general, not in the technical interviews, but in the HR interviews, as the HR used to get curious about as to what I am doing for the COVID thing. So that is how it helped me, but not in the technical interview.
yes, yes. Yeah, so I think like you mentioned, कि course project से और since you had already worked with placement cell, I think हम लोगों ने साथ में एक ही साथ काम किया था, तो आई थिंक उससे ऑफ कोर्स हम सबको आइडिया मिला था कि हाउ टू शेप आवर रेज्यूमे, और आई थिंक कि आई मस्ट से कि आपने काफ़ी अच्छे मतलब काफ़ी अच्छे से प्लान किया तुमने, काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स अच्छे अच्छे किए सो दैट कि टू ओरिएंट योर प्रोफाइल इन अ पर्टिकुलर डोमेन, वो तुमने काफ़ी अच्छे से किया, LSTM वगैरह, यू हैव कवर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम. सो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स वेरी इंप्रेसिव एंड इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर हमें कुछ प्लान करना है कि लाइक आई वांट टू गो इन दिस और दिस डोमेन, सो यू शुड प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली. You cannot plan in the last minute.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah. So okay, so now of course we have talked quite a few things. Now we can talk a bit about तुम्हारे placement journey के बारे में, कि इस कंपनी का जैसे कि लाइक इस कंपनी के कितने जैप्स थे प्लेसमेंट से इस तुम्हारे प्लेसमेंट के टाइम पे?
Okay, so this company this year came with 2 jobs. One of them was associate data scientist, and the second one was consumer behavioral scientist. Okay. So the one I applied in was associate data scientist, and I got selected in that.
Okay, so consumer behavior का तुमने अप्लाई नहीं किया उसके लिए?
नहीं, my skill set was somehow not matching with that.
Yes, yeah. So I think you were very selective कि क्या choose करना है.
I was very selective. I hardly filled around 50 jobs in total.
Great. Yes. So Aditi, now तो तुमने वो जैब भरा, तो जो एसोसिएट डेटा साइंटिस्ट की जैब थी, was it open for all और या कुछ कम डिपार्टमेंट के लिए ओपन था, कैसा हुआ ये?
No. It was open for all.
Okay, all of the departments, all of the
for the humanities, I guess.
Okay, cool. और CPA कट ऑफ कुछ था क्या उस जैब में मेंशन?
I don't remember exactly, but I guess it was 7 above.
Okay, great. So ठीक है. So अब थोड़ा सा we can talk about the things which happened after signing the JAF. Like you mentioned, this was open to almost all of the specializations at IIT Bombay. So what were the steps which happened after signing the JAF? Ki test, resume shortlisting, वो सब, if you could walk us through those steps.
Okay, so as in you want to know about the process, that is the test and interview process.
हाँ, और अगर resume shortlisting भी हुआ तो of course you can talk about that also. Yeah.
So after signing the JAF, of course the company did resume shortlisting, and I got to know in the interview that they went through each and every resume like manually. They read the projects and then they shortlisted the resume. So there was no test. They directly shortlisted the resumes and then they took interviews.
Since सारा का सारा फोकस रेज्यूमे पे ही था, तो हम थोड़ी तुम्हारे रेज्यूमे के बारे में बात करते हैं. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स तुमने रेज्यूमे काफी अच्छे से शेप किया है, and you have already mentioned that you have certain things in your mind कि मुझे ऐसे ही फॉर्म्स में जाना है, so you had something already planned. Now अगर तुम थोड़ा ये बताओ कि like how did you draft your resume, कि कैसे प्लान किया, और like I think तुमने 1 पेज से साइन किया रेज्यूमे, 1 पेज रेज्यूमे. क्योंकि एमटेक के लोग मैक्सिमम मैंने देखा है कि 2 पेज साइन करते हैं, तो तुमने कैसे, मतलब क्या क्या तुम्हारे दिमाग में थॉट था, और व्हाट आर द थॉट्स व्हिच लाइक ड्राफ्ट कैसे किया रेज्यूमे को फिर?
Okay, so see, as I said, being in the placement team was definitely gave me an edge over other students while drafting my resume. So I knew that there are certain companies like Consults which highly focus on your leadership skills and your CPI. Then there are companies which recruit you for purely coding skills and purely technical skills, which do not have to, which don't look at your leadership skills or your CPI as such. Then there are companies which recruit you for associate, like my profile, associate data scientist or data scientist or analyst, business analyst, like banks. So what they look into a resume is they seek for a balanced resume, that you should have some POR, you should have some projects related to that domain, then your CPI around 8 would be good. So all of these things were in my mind. Accordingly, I shaped my resume. Like in my resume, I had 3 PORs, I had 3 to 4 projects, and then my CPI was also around 8. So that is how I kind of shaped it.
ओके ग्रेट। या आई थिंक प्लेसमेंट सेल में काम करने का हम सबको बहुत बेनिफिट मिला था।
Yes, yes.
और उससे बहुत सारी चीजें मतलब हमारे थॉट्स क्लियर थे कि लाइक हाउ टू पुट और हाउ टू जॉट डाउन वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स इन द रेज्यूमे। यस। सो ओके, सो तुमने टू पेज रेज्यूमे बनाया ही नहीं या बनाया था टू पेज रेज्यूमे?
नहीं, मैंने 2 पेज रेज्यूमे नहीं बनाया था because I didn't want, I mean my department is not a core department, so I was looking for going into a business analyst domain or a data science domain, so 1 page would be sufficient, that I thought.
ओके, यस यस, या सो आई थिंक तुम्हारे रिज्यूमे में सब कुछ बहुत बैलेंस था, लाइक प्रोजेक्ट्स, फिर तुम्हारा पीओआर, फिर तुम्हारे प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर वगैरह सब कुछ तुमने बहुत बैलेंस तरीके से एक पेज में काफी अच्छे से यू हैड अकोमोडेटेड ऑल दिस थिंग्स। सो या दैट मैटर्स, आई मस्ट से। सो अब तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट भी हो गया है और अब वापस प्लेसमेंट शुरू होने वाला है तुम्हारे जूनियर्स का और दूसरे बच्चों का भी, तो डेफिनेटली इन सब चीज़ों से उनको हेल्प मिलेगा। सो या सो आई थिंक फिर टेस्ट के बाद, सॉरी टेस्ट तो था ही नहीं, रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हुआ एंड देन फिर डायरेक्टली फिर इंटरव्यू के लिए डायरेक्टली शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए थे लोग।
Yes.
Yes. So, in that case, I think we have covered the things which happened before the interview. We can talk about one more thing in this part mainly, कि significance of POR and CPI. कि of course ये मैंने और भी लोगों से डिस्कस किया है, but what is your take on this और how do you feel after कि अब तुम्हारा प्लेसमेंट हो भी चुका है, तो how do you feel कि do these things matter, कि इसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस है क्या POR? लाइक तूने बताया कि CPI you try to maintain 8, वो तुम्हारा था। POR का कुछ हेल्प मिला प्लेसमेंट के टेन्योर में, तुम्हारे अपने प्लेसमेंट के टाइम पे?
Okay, so see, both in the cases of CPI and POR, there is one thing which I noticed and which I have talked about is that it highly depends on the kind of company you are applying. For instance, if it's a consult, then they will definitely give high preference to your leadership skills, that is your POR and your CPI. And if it's a coding-based profile, then it won't matter that much. And if it's an analyst kind of profile where you're working at the junction of technical and non-technical field, then a mix of POR and your projects would be a good thing. So in my case, particularly in my case, yes, my PORs helped me in HR interviews. They helped me a lot. Like I didn't have to kind of fill in anything extra in the interview. I had all the stories as a backup to every statement that I was saying. So my HR interview went really good because of that.
Yes. So I think तुम्हारे केस में तुमने बहुत सही से प्लान किया था, मतलब you had planned everything very well, और I think सब कुछ तुम्हारे प्लान के हिसाब से गया भी।
Yes.
मतलब तो यही मुझे लगता है कि प्लेसमेंट, हमारे यहाँ का प्लेसमेंट, अगर if you have planned well, तो I think things will turn out in your favor.
Yes, yes.
That we can say.
Yes, of course.
Yes. So Aditi, I think then we have covered the things which happened before the interview. कुछ इसमें और ऐड करना है तुम्हें before the interview वाले पार्ट में?
नहीं नहीं नहीं।